Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 3% in the last session, after rising as much as 3.6% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Two major investment banks, Goldman Sachs and Bank of America, stated that they anticipate the Federal Reserve will resume hiking interest rates as soon as July, departing from initial market reactions to the Fed Chair Jerome Powell's press conference. Despite an ongoing legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Ripple is partnering with the Central Bank of Colombia to roll out yet another blockchain/CBDC pilot. The XRP Ledger CBDC platform also serves as the basis for similar pilot projects in Hong Kong, Bhutan, Palau, and Montenegro. The yen tumbled to the weakest level since November after the Federal Reserve signaled it may have to raise interest rates further, fueling concern that the Bank of Japan's ultra-loose policy stance will fail to anchor the currency.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's consumer inflation expectations will be released at 0830 GMT. The Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP/NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.